That's right, it's cleaning time again. Today we're going to be cleaning the PS2, a cult classic and my personal favorite PlayStation console. We're bringing the feather duster back, we're bringing the compressed air back, and of course, the PS2. I have the slim model, so if you're watching this video and you have the fat model, get fucked. Just like the PS1, start dusting away. Also, don't be a moron like me and actually remember to make sure to dust the underside of the console. I forgot to do this in my PS1 cleaning video. Once again, you can open her up and start dusting. Stop it, stop dusting. It's time to reintroduce the compressed air and, just like last time, make sure to gently spray the lens. Also, make sure to spray the orange ribbon cables towards the back of the console. Alright, now you can close her up and start spraying the rest of the console. Feel free to go hog wild, because there's a low risk of damaging anything out here. And now you've got yourself a clean PS2. That's really about it. See ya.